I don't know how many times in my life I've been like, don't eat junk food or go for a run or whatever it is, study, like, learn this. As soon as the first hurdle happens, I'm just like, oh, sweet, I'm totally gonna ignore my plan. And then I go indulge in the thing that I don't wanna do. So you know how it goes, let's say it had to do with drinking and you've messed up immediately and you're having a drink and you're eating a pizza or whatever and you're like, what is wrong with me? I'm just like totally out of control myself. Like this doesn't make sense. So to get right into it, there's this one thing that I do that has nothing to do with the situation. You actually, in fact, ignore the drive or craving or urge to do the bad thing. You just take a second, you go, make better decisions. That's all I think about. And I go, and instantly your mind kind of clarifies and you're just like, well, what's the right thing to do? Well, for instance, tonight, I don't know why. I just really wanted to have a drink, but I didn't work out. I was eating kind of unhealthy yesterday. I had to make a better decision. If I just left it up to my normal circumstances, I would have gone and had a drink and maybe ate some fries or something like that, and just that downward spiral, just like the rest of my life has been. But lately I just stop and I just go, what's the best decision to make? And it just automatically removed me from my emotions. It was kind of like this very logical thinking. I go, oh, well, the best decision would be to do this. And it's like very robotic. And you go, okay, cool, that's what I'll do. And you just kind of follow through because you're now immediately detached from your emotions. You know the right thing to do. Now you're not deciding, do I want to have the pizza? Do I want to have the drink? It's what do I want my life to be like? And that seems to be a way easier thing because you know, as a matter of fact, that you want your life to be better. And making a better decision is absolute. So it's just like, yes, I know. This is what I should do. And that's really helped me out a lot, like so many times. So I just wanted to bring that up. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a weirdo with these weird thinking things that I do or whatever. But it helps me, and maybe it'll help you. So I'm sharing that. Till next time. Over.